Kortney Wilson, and today with the brick, I'm going to show you how to style a bed. Okay, so it's not as easy as a snap, but we'll get to it. Start with your bed because it sets the mood and the tone for the space. In this particular room, I chose the rain bed in gray because the gray is going to pull the colors off the wall, so it's reading a little bit green. And then also the fabric of the rain bed is a little bit luxurious. It feels like linen, though it's not. It's linen-like and very durable. For a sleeker look, you might consider the clay bed. It offers durability and a little moodiness. Next up is choosing the linens for the room. You want a really nice, comfortable and durable sheet that can be washed a ton. You also want some sort of duvet that, typically speaking, could be more neutral and then potentially introduce a pattern. This will check two boxes: comfort and personality. The key to making the duvet look absolutely magazine ready is the duvet insert. The insert kind of acts like a comforter and you stuff it inside the cover. The cover can be washed, but the duvet insert doesn't need to be. That's a bonus. Now, when you do this, you can also flip the front of the duvet over for a little bit of a fluffier look that also creates more layers. And layers is what ultimately gives you that magazine-ready look. The comforter is like a really big blanket for your bed, and often it's the only thing that I see on the bed. Well, not my beds, because this is the trick. When you use a duvet, you can also use a brand new comforter, a comforter that you have, to break up the pattern of the solid. It also helps you create the layers that I was talking about. You can decide how much of that pattern that you see based on the other elements of the room. So for example, I have a pattern on the wall, I have a pattern on the sheets, so I don't want to see too much of this, just enough to give the room a little interesting touch. Now you just have to add the pillows. Typically your duvet cover will come with matching shams, and then your sheets will clearly come with pillowcases. So it allows you, once again, to mix solids and patterns. Throw a little pillow or a lumbar pillow action on there for a nice little pretty detail. Straighten, and I always say, pull, pull, pull. Tight sheets and tight duvets and a tight comforter complete the look.